Hello my friends, today we'll learn how to add order bumps in the food menu plugin for our next tutorial. Firstly, select online ordering and then go to the order bumps according to the order now, where you can display your product recommendations as a slider in the mini cart to increase order value. So let's enable order bumps option, and then you will get some several settings options to customize for your slider. There is also an option for your autoplay. If you want, you can enable or disable this. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce and then products. Go to the all products, click on the edit of your specific food menu. According to the product data, go to the linked products where you will get upsell and cross-sell. At this time, we will need to link cross-sell products with an item in the mini cart and powered by WooCommerce cross-sell product, and these are powered by WooCommerce cross-sell products. We will select our required items under the linked products and then cross-sells. So simply include all the products you want to link as cross-sell items. You can add multiple products at once, making it easy to recommend several related items together. Next, click on Update to save this. Let's go to the menu page and then select your required products to the cart. As soon as you add your desired item to the cart, the products you previously linked as cross-sell items will automatically appear alongside it. As you can see, the slider was displaying only one item at a time. If you would like, you can adjust how many related cross-sell items are displayed at once based on your requirements. Let's back to there again. Reload this page to see our changes right now. Here it is. Instead of displaying just one item, the slider showcases multiple recommended products at once to encourage customers to add complementary food item to their order. Let's add some recommended food items to the cart. And here these are. Thank you for watching this tutorial.